bakery making community. This is my unicorn pose. Today we're going to be making S'mores Mini Waffle. The ingredients you'll need is whole milk, graham cracker crumbs, mini marshmallows, chocolate chips, white sugar, baking powder, oil, a fork, a whisk, a spatula, spoon, tablespoons, and a cup, 1 egg, and the mini waffle kit. And then you also need is a mini bowl, and then a medium-sized bowl. Now let's get started. The first thing we're gonna do is 3/4 of graham cracker crumbs. So I'm gonna grab this. Whoa. Get out. Oh, sorry. Next, we're gonna do 2 teaspoons of white sugar. So, yeah. Next, we're gonna do 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. I do like clumps. Oh, rude. You're so rude. That's what baking is all about, I guess. Next, we're gonna crack an egg into this medium-sized bowl. You didn't think I could do that, did you? Now, we're gonna add 2/5 of the cup of whole milk. Now we're gonna whisk it all together. Now we're gonna add the dry ingredients to our wet ingredients, all at the same time. Now we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of mini chocolate chips. Now we're gonna add 1.25 cup of mini marshmallows. I'm gonna use my trusty scissors because I do not open things that well. Boom. Now I'm gonna gently stir it. Now I'm gonna spray the mini waffle kit with some oil. And guys, a tip says to not do it from this way to open it. Do it from the side. Spray a little bit because it's mini. Now we're gonna use this to pour the batter into the mini waffle kit. It takes about 2 minutes. So we have to wait 2 minutes. It's already like sizzling. It's steaming in here. It's kind of like the brunch part. It's been 2 minutes, so I'm gonna take it out. Eesh. Whoa. The last two came out perfect. I think we need some more batter. It looks terrible. These three don't look good. This one looks perfect. Like you can't ruin it. Now we're about 2 tablespoons of chocolate chips. So here's my chips. Done, so I'm gonna take them out. They're not really melted, but let's just see with our spatula. Oh, never mind. Well. Now I'm gonna spread it on top. Now I'm gonna place the marshmallows on top. Now we're ready to taste this, so who should I call on? Who? Luca! Luca!
Yeah.
Would you like to try my delicious one?
Nice. That tastes good.
How much percent is it, Luca?
100.
Okay, now it's time for me to taste. I think it's 102. Really? Luca, would you like me to make this again?
Yeah.
Okay. That might be in one of my videos. Oh guys, remember, smash that thumb up and subscribe to my channel so you can be part of my cream baking community. Bye.
Cut.
Wiggle party.
2. Look at the camera. 1.
The next step is you're gonna do tea.
Cut.
Now we're gonna do 2 teaspoons of powdered baking powder.
Cut.
Baking powders. Next, we're gonna do 1.5 teaspoons.
Cut. How many?
1.5 it says.
Cut.
It made my hand look white. What's this on top? I don't know what that is.
Cut.